Today, I'm going to be teaching you geometric progression. Here, let's look at this question. The third and fifth term of a geometric progressions are 9/2 and 81/8, respectively. Find the common difference. B, find the first term. So to solve this problem, we need to state the formula for calculating geometric progression. It is denoted as U subscript of n, where you can use any letter to represent the geometric progression, and the n here, the subscript, is the number of terms. Is equals to the first term times the ratio raised to the power of the number of term minus what? 1. So we will apply this formula to solve this question. Now, to solve this question, they said the third term is equal to what? 9/2. So we're not going to have the third term to be what? A, that is the first term, times the ratio raised to the power of what? 2. Because if I substitute the number of term to be what? 3, and I subtract 1 from here, I'm going to have 2. We were told this equal to what? Equal to 9.5. So we can write this as equation 1. So moving forward, the fifth term is equal to the first term times the ratio raised to the power of 4, because n is the number of 10 minus 1, which is what? 4. That is 5 minus 1, which is what? 4. We were told is equal to what? 81 over what? Over 8. This is equation what? Equation 2. So at this point, we are going to divide equation 2 by equation 1 so that we can eliminate A. So we will now have A times R raised to power 4 is equals to 81/8. That's the equation 2. Divide by A times R raised to the power of 2 is equal to, divide by what? Divide by 9/2. Now, this A can be eliminated. So here, 4 raised to power 2 divided by R raised to power 4 divided by R raised to power 2 will give me R raised to power what? 2. Using the law of indices, since the base are the same as the power, and you are asked to, since the base are the same and you are dividing, so the division means that the power should be what? Subtracted. So 4 minus 2 will give me 2. Equal to, now I can simplify this by writing 81 over what? 8 divided by 9/2. Therefore, R now is equal to 81 over what? Over 8 times, this will be inverted to be 2/9. So by the time I simplify, here, this 1, this is what? 9. So here, I'm now going to have what? My R square is now equal to what? 9/4. Therefore, R alone will now be plus or minus square root of what? 9/4, which is equal to plus or minus 3/2, because the square root of 9 is 3, the square root of 4 is 2. So I haven't gotten our R to be what? To be plus or minus 3/2. Then we are looking for, we have gotten the common ratio. Now we are looking for the first term. To get the first term, we are going to equate the value of R into what? Equation 1. Either of the equation, but we're using equation 1. So we now have A into, now our R is, okay, we are going to take care of the plus. So we now have plus 3/2. So we now have 3 over 2 here, all squared, is equal to what? 9 over 2. So at this point, and I have a now. If I open this bracket, I'm now going to have 9 over what? Over 4 is equal to what? 9 over what? Over 2. Now to get a, I'm now going to have what? This, to make a to stand alone, I'm now going to have 9 over 2 times, this will be inverted. So I now have 4 over what? Over 9. So if you simplify, this is 1, this is 1, 2 here 1, 2 in 4, 2. Therefore, our a is equal to what? 2. Now, at this point, our a is equal to what? 2. When it is r is positive. But when when r is negative, I'm now going to have a into what? Minus 3 over 2 all squared is equals to what? 9 over 2. Therefore, a now times what? The same 9 over what? 2. Because minus 3 over 2 squared will change this negative sign. So I'll now have what? 9 over what? This place is supposed to be 9 over 4. So equal to 9 over 2. So at this point, a therefore will be what? Will be 9 over 2 times what? 4 over what? 9. This will cancel this. This is 1. This is what? 2. Therefore, it means that our a is equals to what? 2. When r is positive 3 over 2 or negative 3 over 2. So our final answer for the common ratio is what? For the common ratio, the answer is plus or minus 3 over 2. And for the first term, the answer is 2. Thank you.